So this is a MINKA ceiling fan with a light kit, and I'll show you what the problem is right now. You try to turn on the light, turns on for a second, and shuts off. And I'll be quiet and you can hear it shut off. So what you hear shutting off is the 190 watt limiter on the kit. So this is a second ceiling fan that's a duplicate of the other that was shutting off because of a wattage limiter. This light has a different behavior, that it flickers there. You can see that flicker there, and that's also a problem with the wattage limiter. This is the instruction manual for the MINKA Air light and fan that we're going to fix. It seems similar to a Hampton bed. So this is how you remove the dome. You push up on it and twist it counterclockwise. You can see sometimes the top spins there, but if you just get the dome, it'll come down. So this has got a halogen bulb in it. So the first step is attempting to replace this halogen bulb with a much lower wattage LED bulb. So remove the halogen and instead put in an LED. And this LED is 8.5 watts. And so it's nowhere near the 190 watt limiter. So now if we try that with a much lower wattage bulb, we can see the same problem. So it's clearly not the bulb that's the problem. The original light bulb was a halogen on the left. You can see that it was 100 watts, so well less than the 190. And I'm replacing it with an LED, and you can see that the LED is only 8.5 watts. So there's no reason that the wattage limit should have been triggered. There are 3 screws to remove the light kit from the fan. You can see on the right hand side, 1 screw is partially removed, and you can see 1 on the left, and there's 1 on the back side. For perspective, this is where it is relative to the fan. I'll remove those. This is the instruction in the owner's manual that if the light shuts off and will not come back on, that you have to replace the light bulb with a bulb that is less than 190 watts. But clearly that's not the problem. The problem is the wattage limiter itself. And when you look at the website, it just indicates you have to buy an entirely new light kit. Inside the light kit is this black rectangular box. It's velcroed or sticky to the light fixture. So this shows where the 3 wires go. The blue wire comes out of the box and goes to a wire nut attached to the black wire. The black wire goes directly to the light bulb. The white wire that comes out of the box goes into a wire clamp that has several other white wires in it. And the red wire that comes out of the box goes into a wire clamp that goes to a blue wire, which comes from the connector back to the ceiling fan. So to bypass the voltage limiter, the blue wire that comes from the ceiling fan gets attached to the black wire that goes to the light. The red wire from the voltage limiter is not needed, and neither is the blue wire from the voltage limiter. The white wire from the voltage limiter is still attached to the whites, but that can be removed also. So with this configuration, there is no voltage limiting, so be sure not to put a light bulb in here greater than 190 watts, but since we have an 8.5 watt light bulb, it should be fine. So this is the wiring completed. The blue wire here and the red wire are no longer in the circuit. They were between this black to blue wire here, so black is now tied directly to blue, so the light will be powered without this wattage limiter. And this white wire also removed, so the voltage limiter can come out, and that white wire was in this wire clamp here. So the wire clamp was removed, the white wire was removed, and it was clamped back, and there's 4 white wires in there now. And now this light fixture can simply go back on, and it will work fine. So this is how we've rewired it. The wattage limiter had 3 wires, the white, which was just tied into the neutral circuit, and the red and blue were basically breaking the hot circuit. So it had this switch here controlled by the wattage limiter. Now the switch is what was failing, so we've just removed that and tied blue to black directly here through the wire nut. And we've just eliminated the white and maintained this wire clamp. So now you just have hot and neutral going directly to the bulb with no wattage limiter in place. With the light fixture back together and with the wattage limiter removed, the light now functions properly and doesn't flick off with the wattage limiter.